Most people don't realise that council tax is not a lawful requirement and that councils across the UK are breaching your common law rights, human rights, data protection rights and even international law every single day. Here's what you need to know. Council tax is a civil matter, not a criminal offence. There is no signed contract between you and your local council. Without a contract, there is no obligation under common law. You cannot be lawfully forced to pay a debt that you never agreed to. Councils are private corporations, not true government bodies. Every council operates as a private business with a DUNS number. They serve their own financial interests, not yours. Liability orders are unlawful. Since 2003, liability orders have not been lawful court orders and they are administrative notifications. Hundreds are rubber stamped without any real hearing, violating your right to due process. Bailiffs are acting unlawfully. Bailiffs are often instructed without a judge-signed warrant using unlawful liability orders. Their actions breach your data rights, property rights and human rights. Here's a few that they're breaking. Human Rights Act 1998, Article 6, right to a fair trial. You're being denied your right to defend yourself before a neutral judge. Magna Carta 1215, Clause 39. No free man shall be fined or stripped of property without lawful judgment by equals or by the true law of the land. Bill of Rights 1689, Section 12. Fines or forfeitures before conviction are illegal and void. Data Protection Act 2018, GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. Your personal information is being shared unlawfully with bailiff companies, violating GDPR. Article 5, Lawful and Transparent Data Processing. And then we've got the natural law principles, common law. The true law states no harm, no loss, no injury, no fraud equals no crime. Council tax causes no harm. Under natural law, it cannot be lawfully enforced. Fraud Act 2006, Section 2, fraud by false representation. Presenting unlawful administrative liability orders as legitimate court orders could constitute fraud. Protection from Harassment Act 1997, repeated demands, threats of enforcement action and harassment from councils or bailiffs violate your right to live peacefully. The truth is simple. You are not a debtor. You're a living, breathing soul with divine rights. You do not have to consent to unlawful theft disguised as council's policy.